जी और कोई नहीं। एक चश्मा वाला दे दो।
एक मिनट कोमल कैटेना वन लोग कोमल कैटेना
Thank you so much.
You're lost walking around.
अरे यार वो
So sweet of you.
आइए ना सर
नहीं अभी होगा अभी होगा। आप नहीं आप आए नहीं और ऐसे
सर एक सेकंड
How do you manage the first time? You're always manage.
ए बेटा
It's my first chance. I'm doing this.
Ma'am, down. Hello, how are you? Hi.
कैटेना लोग ओके ओके चलो
company which said our fingers are in every pie. And Komal is like that. His fingers are in every film. He knows what is happening, who's selling what, which film has done well, which film has gone right, which film has gone wrong, and he has been following that up very honestly. Sometimes wrong, but most of the times correct, at least for my films. So I wish him all the best, and I understand the close relationship that Mr. and Mrs. Doshi shared with Komal. So all my best for this venture. I hope inshallah that it does very well. I think all of us understand in today's world, time and age, information is of prime importance, whether it's from any kind of medium, and when this kind of information is going to be passed from someone who's been doing this job for years. How many years now, Komal?
5 years. I'm very young. 15 years.
17-year-old Komal who's just launched. So Mr. and Mrs. Doshi, Komal, and everyone present here, all the best. And
Karan ji, come in. कोमल जी साथ में आ गए कोमल तीनों कोमल जी लुकिंग फ्रंट कोमल जी लुकिंग फ्रंट
पोस्ट करें ऐसे
कोमल जी नीचे थोड़ा नीचे या
शाहरुख भाई इधर करण जी शाहरुख भाई एक मिनट शाहरुख भाई
इनकी फ्लाइट मिस हो जाएगी प्लीज
शाहरुख भाई
Picture please.
प्लीज क्वाइट एवरीवन हां
Shahrukh, how much of a need do you think we have for an entertainment genre?
I think it's important. See, information is required now, and I read a lot of newspapers and tabloids because of trying to give information first. We are misrepresenting at times. So maybe a weekly magazine like this would clarify a few stands, and it'll be a good thing to have. I think it's.
Komal ji, as a person and as a critic, how have you seen him from so many years?
See, Komal is very, very clearly. I think if you talk about him as a critic or as an analyst, I think Komal has been very clear that he talks about a film not from the creative point of view. He talks about a film from a business point of view. So once you understand that about Komal, you will never have difference of opinion with him, because it's not how creatively beautiful the film is. It could be wonderful, but hasn't done business, so he will tell you.
Magazine, which is for
for the business of entertainment
tabloid. It's a tabloid for the business of entertainment. तो obviously सब गलत फिगर्स आएंगे इससे, स्पेशली मेरे फिगर्स जो मेरी पिक्चर हिट होती हैं वो उनके गलत फिगर्स आएंगे, तो वी ओके विद दैट स्टफ. ही इज वेरी ऑनेस्ट मैन एंड ही इज बीन वेरी फेयर. अगर पिक्चर खराब है, अगर इट्स नॉट डन वेल, तो ही विल गिव द राइट फिगर्स. इफ इट्स डन वेल, then he will give the right figures. So that's the reason why we're here, because we trust him, and I hope that the magazine does well for him and his partners. And God bless him. Well, this is for not for the Bollywood. This is for the public. It's for the public. वो Bollywood के लिए फिल्म पे ये वो सब है जो पढ़ो और खुश हो जाओ किसी और के फ्लॉप पे और अपने सक्सेस के ऊपर. But this is for the actually जो आज को जो टीवी पे चल रहा है कि ये पिक्चर नहीं चली और गलत जो जो कलेक्शन दिखाए जाते हैं जो कि इट्स नॉट ट्रू एंड यू हैव सम ऑफ द critics who just when a film actually deserves 4 stars you give it like 1 star and vice versa. So out here at least the honest collections will come straight in front and the distributors as well as the producers will not be able to lie about the collections. Oh yeah.